everybody. It's wash day for over here at Underfunded. You can see I got the tires off over here and everything like that. Got pretty dirty. It's Friday, and we went and practiced Sunday, and I apologize because I'm having problems getting my videos out. I tried something new and it's just not working. I'm liking the shots and stuff I'm getting on the camera that I bought, but for some reason I can't link everything up because I'm evidently not smart enough, I guess. So I apologize. And we do have shots of practice and everything like that. It went good, and as soon as I can get it figured out, I promise I'll be dropping that too. And I'm just trying to grow the channel, and I guess maybe I'm just doing it too fast and need to slow down and try to learn the technology that I'm using. So, but anyway, as you can see here, we're washing my car, getting all the dirt off of it. Had a hectic week, so I'm getting a little late start on it. Our next race is Eastbay, and we're running wingless, which is why the wings off of it and everything like that. And we went and practiced. So we got this car to do. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's another car in there, which is Dad's. We got to wash. And then we also got to wash the four-wheeler we're using. We've got to do a little maintenance on it. It got hot and was blowing the water line off of it. So, and overheating, so we're going to wash that up and do a little maintenance too. So again, stay with us. We're going to time lapse this. You know, it might not be a very long video, but again, you get to see the back side of the house, so what it takes to run a race team with dirt. So again, stay tuned and we'll keep you occupied. Alrighty everybody, so as you can see, the outside of the car is clean. Next we are going to be taking off all the panels and cleaning the inside. So one of the most important things you can do, really, just because the outside clean don't mean the inside is. So we'll be pulling these body panels off and power washing the inside. Alrighty, so you see we got all the panels off. Now I know this video is really exciting, but you can learn a lot from it. You know, the car looked clean on the outside, but if you look in it, you can just see all the crud and the dirt. I mean, look at the floor pan in there. You know, the underbelly's probably not that clean either. I'll get under there. Got to get all this dirt washed because I don't really want to lay in it. We got to rinse out our radiator. Got to cover the air filters, the air filters and the breathers for the oil. And I got to put a bag over my mag and stuff and my coil. That way it doesn't get wet. And then we also need to take out my tack. So we don't want that to get wet. But it's still dirty. But this allows you to get a little bit more fine detail on your cleaning. So anyway, stay tuned. And if I see anything that I need to address while I'm doing it, we'll point that out. As you can see right here, here's one thing. This right in here, how it's all coagulated together, and you can kind of actually see a little bit of white right there. That tells me I got an oil leak that's mixed with some fuel, so I might have a fuel leak too, and that's something serious. So you might see me trying to figure out where that's coming from and get a handle on it. But anyway, other than that, everything else at first glance looks good. So stay tuned. We're going to continue to power wash and wash this thing. sunshine, excuse me, bake on this a little bit and dry it off. And then what we're gonna do is, I guess I can go ahead and do this to show you. I'm gonna take this honeycomb out. This is what saves the radiator from rocks and stuff. Go ahead and just throw that right there for now. We're gonna rinse out the radiator with the water hose. But before we do that, and while this is drying, we're gonna come over here and we're gonna go ahead and power wash our tires. So get those done, that way we can have them clean, and then we'll end up rolling this car down to the shop and start the process all over again with Dad's car. That probably won't be on video, because once you wash one car, you really don't care to wash another one. So I don't expect you guys want to watch that. But anyway, so car's done, it's all clean, everything like that. You can see the floor pan's not dirty no more. I'll take an air hose and blow this thing off and blow the crap out of here that you can't hit with the power washer that good. But other than that, car's clean. Stay tuned, we're gonna wash tires. My car is done. Tires are over there. It's all washed. This car is all washed. Oh yeah, I forgot. I still got to do this. So we'll record that real quick, and then I'll do my done outro thing. Alright, so what we're doing, we're just rinsing this radiator out. Nothing special. Just running the hose through it, getting all the dirt out of it. The way she runs cool and she don't get caked full. You could probably, to be honest with you, depending on how close you are and how muddy the track is, or if it's slicked off or nothing like that, you could probably get away with not doing it like one race, but it's just better to do it. Makes your stuff last longer. You keep going until the water coming out of it's clear. Speaking of which, while we're here, we'll see. Okay, so we're not leaking water anywhere. That's good. So the honeycomb's doing a pretty good job of keeping my radiator safe. Just throw some water on here where you can't have pressure at. Rinse excess dirt off. And then ta-da, that's it. All right, so now the car's done, since I jumped the gun earlier. But we're gonna be leaving the body panels off of it. I'll throw the tires on there and we will roll it down to the shop where it'll sit, and I'll be pulling Dad's out to wash too, because he's at work and he don't have as much time as I do. So I'm gonna help him out because he helps me out so much. And thanks everybody that's watching this and everything like that. I can't thank you guys enough. I feel like my channel's growing pretty good, and I'm very happy with it. And hopefully you guys possibly learn something on this. That's always nice to be able to teach somebody, though I don't get the opportunity that much because I'm usually the one learning. But other than that, stay tuned, more videos to come. And like I said, once I get that other video figured out from practice the other day, which is the reason why we're washing this car, I'll put it up as soon as possible. I just can't believe I'm having this much trouble with it, but I owe it to you guys. You've been waiting a while, and we're gonna try to start cranking out videos. They might not be the most interesting, but I'm trying to stay relevant. So again, thank you for your support and everything like that, and we'll catch you next time.